Hi, Matt. This is Al Woods. I wanted to give you a breakdown of what we've been doing for Crossover. We've been promoting the blog, your website, since November 26th, according to the Bitly. This is for social media that we've been promoting. So right here it says 284 clicks on the link. So as of the 9th, this is being recorded on January 10th. As of the 9th, there were 23 clicks that day, 284 total. And here it just gives a breakdown of where the clicks on social media have come from. As you can see, Twitter, Facebook 29, Twitter 76, Facebook 29, LinkedIn 27, Google Plus 6, Tumblr 1, and then there's 145 clicks from other places. We have other blogs, emails, Google groups, all this kind of stuff where it's being shown. Here, right here is the list of the countries where it has been clicked. United States, as you can see, France, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Puerto Rico, Belgium, Australia, England, Japan, and then there's one more here, Turkey. Here's the map of what's happening. As you can see, 284. This guy here, he clicked on it, I guess, 9 times. Very interested. So it's been pretty active. Some days it's not as active as others because of holidays or weekends or things like that. But we're definitely promoting it like crazy. We're doing it on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Plus. We have a private Woods recruiting blog that we use, Tumblr. So we're getting the word out. We promote it on an all-day basis, just various headlines and quotes that we send out there to the readers. So basically, it's getting out there to a lot of people who are clicking on the links, and we're driving. So far, we've driven 284 individuals to the crossover.com website. So I hope this gives you a pretty good idea of what we're doing and how we're breaking things down and how we're getting the word out on a consistent basis. Some days are better than others. People are clicking on it here. December 13th, 19 clicks. So it's getting out there. People are paying attention to what's going on. I think the more that this is being done, the more people will become familiar. This name here of the company will become a household name as far as the sports world community. So if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Thanks a lot.